Hi, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software, and on today's video, it's going to be a two-part video. What that means is I'm going to be showing you how to move your files from the old version of Cabinet Solutions up to the default location of where they're stored at for the Cabinet Solutions Designer. And the next part of the video will be how to copy those files onto a USB drive to move them onto a new computer. This process starts on the old computer. The second step will contain steps for moving the files from the old computer to the new one. Let's go ahead and start the process by backing up our files from the old location to the new location. So what we're going to do is go to cabinetsolutions.net and go to our support page. And then from there, we scroll down until we see our how-to manuals. And the very first item on there is how to move files to the new designer default locations. Click on that. It's going to give you a set of instructions. Go ahead and follow those instructions. I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says click here to download a program. And I'm going to click on it up here in the upper right to tell it to open as soon as it's done downloading. When this comes up, it's going to tell you, okay, this is the default location of where Cabinet Solutions files used to be stored. And this is the new location. It's in your Documents folder, and a folder in there called Cabinet Solutions, and then a folder in there called Designer. You have your jobs, your standards, your custom cabinets. It also copies over all of your other file settings like your job costing, your material information, things like that. Once you see this program is up, just click on Start Copy Process. All of your files have now been copied over into your Documents folder. So we're going to click on OK, and we can close this down. That's the end of the first step. The next step is how to switch your computers, or basically copying your files onto a USB drive to move them over to the new location. Since everything is going to be done on this computer, instead of copying the files, I'm actually going to be cutting the files to put them into my USB drive and then to move them over onto the new computer. From the Cabinet Solutions website, we're going to go back to our support page, scroll down to our how-to manuals again. And the next one is how to switch computers. It's the third one from the top currently. We're going to click on that and we're going to follow those steps. These steps are written down one at a time, but I can do all of this from the video. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and open up our File Explorer. And again, this is all done on the old computer first. So we're going to open up our File Explorer. If you don't see the file folder icon down here at the bottom of your screen, you can click on the Start button and type in File Explorer. If you still do not have that information, or if you're not running Windows 10 or Windows 11, hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and press the letter R, like Richard. That opens up the Run dialog box. Just type in the word Explorer.exe. Click on OK, and that opens up the information. Once you're there, you may need to scroll up or down on this left-hand side, but you're going to be looking for Documents. And once you're there, you'll see a folder there called Cabinet Solutions. I'm going to go ahead and connect my USB drive right now with my USB drive connected. It's come up as Drive E, so we can just go ahead and close that down for the moment. I'm going to click one time on my Cabinet Solutions folder, right-click on it, and click on Cut. You'll want to click on Copy. If you do not see a menu item that looks like this, you'll need to look for where it says Cut or Copy. I'm going to click on Cut. Go to my scroll up or down here on the left-hand side till I see my drive, and then click on Paste. This is going to be copying or moving all of the files over from my Documents folder on my old computer to my USB drive for backing up. Once that's done, you'll notice the dialog box goes away. We can disconnect the USB drive from the computer to put it into our new computer. I'm going to show you what happens after you plug in the USB drive to your new computer. You should see the window comes up here. Matter of fact, let's shut that down. I'm going to disconnect my USB drive and connect it back. it should automatically open up my drive. From there, I can click on the Cabinet Solutions folder. Let's go to Copy. And again, you can right click on it and click on Copy as well. You may need to also scroll up or down through the list until you see where it says Copy. But let's right click on it, go to Copy, go to our Documents folder, right click anywhere on a blank area, and click on Paste. Once that's done, your files have been successfully updated to the new version of Cabinet Solutions location and moved over to your new computer so you can continue using those files on the new system. The copying and pasting from document folder to document folder is also helpful if you want to move your files between computers if you have more than one license. And this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 209-836-4077. I'm more than happy to help out. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.